Now that you have all 6 pieces, it's time to start marking your cuts. You need your markers, tape measure, and a straight edge to draw your lines. Each piece will be marked differently for the side plates, the back plates, the base plate, and the front plate. Okay, so I've marked them all up. Once they're marked up with marker, you'll see the cut lines. Everything that's black, marker, is where I will cut. These are the 2 side plates, so you can see they're identical. I did 1/2 inch from the outside, 1/2 inch, and then I did halfway down. So this will be my cut, this will be my cut. This will be another cut, and I will eventually add more holes for oxygen. These are identical, those are the easiest ones to do. And the back plates are different. They are not symmetrical. I did the same thing. 1/2 inch from the outside, 1/2 inch from the outside, halfway up the entire length. So that's 2.5 inches. This one's the opposite. There's a line here, and there is the next line is up top. So this is how it'll fit like a puzzle. So it's important to know the back plates are different. This will be the base plate. Basically cutting out 4 corners. This is 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Draw a square, and then I just round off the edge there, which I will cut. All the same on the corners. Eventually you'll have these 2 wings on either side. These wings will be folded up to 90 degrees. I'll show you that later. This is the most complicated one. This is the front plate that'll go on the front of the stove. This will take some time. I just did 1/2 inch in, 1/2 inch in, tried to line it up, but yeah, had a little bit of difficulty there. And then I just did halfway down the width, so 3 inches, halfway, half of 3. Same on this side, and then I join them in the middle. So these lines should match up, these points. So we'll see, once I make the cuts, we'll see if it all fits together. Now it's time to start making your cuts. So grab your tin snips, or whatever you're going to be using, and cut along those marked lines you've made. Be sure to make those slits wide enough so that your actual stove can wedge together. You might come across these metal burrs when you're widening your slits. These are important to get out, or else your stove won't fit together properly.